Hi there. Let's make pierogies in a different way. Lowfodmap. Gluten-free. Vegan. One note, I have no dough skills. So I use tricks to avoid rolling the dough. Eventually they turned out quite okay. 100 grams of rice flour. 100 grams of starch. 3 grams of guar gum. 30 grams of oil. 120 grams of hot water. Perfect. 200 grams of kimchi, 100 grams of sauerkraut, 6 grams of guar gum. I hate rolling and cutting the dough, so I'm using a tortilla press. Starch. It's not perfect, but it tastes okay. Repeat the process. Time for boiling pierogies. Melted butter. Thanks for watching.